Hey guys, Eric here from DubsLabs. Welcome to another episode of Sleep Hacks. Today I want to talk to you about eating spicy or acidic foods before bed. So when you eat spicy or acidic foods, it can help create heartburn, which is exacerbated when you lie down. There's a lot of foods out there that you might have not known were acidic, such as alcohol. Coffee is acidic, chocolate is acidic, high-fat dairy products, a bunch of meat products are acidic. They can really kind of mess with your acid reflux while you're lying down. And I know some people personally who have to actually put a support under one side of their mattress so that they sleep at an angle like this, well, more like that, to allow them to fall asleep because they have so much acid reflux. Another reason to avoid spicy foods before bed is because when you eat spicy foods, it actually raises your core body temperature. And as you probably know, when you're trying to fall asleep, you want your body temperature to lower about 2 to 3 degrees. If you eat spicy foods, you're all hot, and oftentimes if you eat spicy foods right before bed, it's hard to fall asleep, which it's too bad because I love spicy foods. I'm sure a lot of you do too. But if you're going to eat spicy foods, try to eat them as early in the night as possible so it doesn't negatively affect your sleep. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.